How to unprivate your YouTube channel or make your channel public. If you want to unprivate your YouTube channel or make your channel public, basically for this, first of all, let's say you've basically hidden your channel before. You did that through this remove YouTube content option and you must have selected I want to hide my channel, not permanently deleted, but you must have selected I wanted to hide my channel and hidden all your videos and so on. First of all, keep in mind that when you even do this I want to hide my channel, your whole channel will not get hidden, but the videos, each and every video inside that channel will get hidden. But there is a way to unhide it. First of all, once you go to YouTube, log into the channel, click on the YouTube profile from the top right, and simply go to YouTube Studio. Once you go to YouTube Studio, from here you want to simply navigate to content. Now in your case, you must have many videos and on the visibility tab, yours must have been set to private. So what you want to do is obviously doing them one after another. You can do this like this and then just hit public and hit the publish button here. But that must be tiring, so you can select all videos at once by selecting this option. Select edit button, select visibility and change from private to public. And once done, all your videos including your channel will be back to the public feed again. I hope this video pretty much helped you. If you have got any further questions, feel free to leave them down. Thanks for watching and see you in the next video.